Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing great. So today हम कोई makeup look create नहीं कर रहे हैं. I just want to talk about these amazing products that I came across. They are natural, they are paraben and sulfate free, they are vegan, and they are just perfect for your everyday look. Yes, you heard me right. I am talking about this amazing brand called Agate Organics, and I recently stumbled upon them and I used 2 of their products to for my personal use, and I thought these products are amazing and I should share it with you guys. So if you want to know about these products, then please keep on watching this video till the end. Alright, so the 2 products that I use from this brand are these 2. This one is their DD cream, which is very similar to a BB cream, and this one is the lip and cheek tint. So just these 2 products I used to create this look that you're seeing on my face right now. I'll show you the application further ahead, but let's talk about these products individually. So this DD cream is primarily like a BB cream. It's like a skin-friendly tinted moisturizer, you can call it. It's somewhere between a moisturizer and a foundation. It gives you coverage, but not a very heavy coverage. It gives you a medium sort of a coverage. Will not basically conceal any of your dark spots or anything, but it will give you a nice even skin tone, as you can see here at this point. And also it comes with SPF 25+, so you do not need to use a sunscreen separately, so that's the best part. It says on the packet, it says that it is safe and natural. It's made with safe and natural ingredients, and it is sulfate and paraben free, so that's amazing, right? And it's made in India, and this 30 gram of product retails for 799 rupees. And currently they are having some amazing offers going on their website. So this product is perhaps available for somewhere around 499, so do check it out. The next product is this amazing and versatile product, which is the lip and cheek tint. And trust me, the words fall short when I talk about this product, because this is like my savior, okay? Every day anytime when there's a meeting or anything that I need to get ready in a jiffy, then this is what saves my life. So this basically gives a nice flushed look for your face. जैसा कि आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हो, मैंने कुछ भी नहीं लगाया है. मैंने सिर्फ DD क्रीम लगाने के बाद ये लिप और चीक टिंट लगाया है अपने cheeks पर, lips पर और eyes पर. So it gives you a nice and healthy sort of a glow, which I think is perfect for young girls like you. And it's again made with natural products. This one is the pink rose petal one, so this is the rose version. There is a beetroot version as well, which is slightly deeper red in color, and it gives a deeper pigmentation. And then there's a corally sort of color as well, which is made out of oranges, so even better, right? Just don't miss on this product. I mean, if you are a college going girl or an office going person who does not like to wear a lot of makeup every day, then these 2 products are a must have in your kit. This is how the actual product look. It is a very premium packaging. It's black and gold in color, and the shade that I have with me is natural. They have a few more shades in this product, and so you can check it out कि आपके skin के according, आपके color के according कौन सा shade better जाएगा. If I talk about the texture of the product, it is not something which is like a foundation or a moisturizer. It is something like more like a mousse, but not that drying. You know, what I mean, it's very velvety soft, and it just blends very easily. And it has a nice soft fragrance to it, so yeah, if I show you, it blends very well, and my skin also looks very glowy after I apply it. So I will just apply it on my face and I'll show it to you. Now let's see how these apply and look. So I have just cleaned and washed my face, and I'm just going to start with applying a little bit of moisturizer before I apply any product. So the moisturizer that I'm using today here is by Dr. Belmer. It's a very thin lotion sort of a consistency, and it just feels absolutely hydrating but not oily. So just perfect for oily skin people like me. So I apply a generous amount of moisturizer first after cleansing my face. So now I'm going to take the DD cream from Agate Organics and take a little bit in my hand, at the back of my hand, and just dot it all over my face. You can apply it with your fingers or your blender or whatever works for you. I think I like applying it with my fingers because it kind of melts the product into your skin and it doesn't look patchy or cakey. The best part is that it comes with SPF, so आपको अलग से sunscreen लगाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. It's very nice. I think it gives me a nice medium sort of a coverage. It's not like a full coverage foundation sort of a thing, but something for an everyday use. Just makes your skin look even and toned. Gives me a nice glowy sort of a look. And now I'm going to use my favorite lip and cheek tint, and I'm going to apply it around my cheek, a little bit on my eyelid and my lips. Look at the size. That's it. आपको इसके बाद सिर्फ मस्कारा लगाना है और आप कहीं भी जा सकते हैं. I'm going to use my Maybelline Height and Curl mascara, and I am just going to give my lashes a nice lift so that they look presentable. So this is the final look, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are looking to buy these products, you can directly buy it from their website, that is agateofficial.com, and I will be linking it down in my description box below. And if you want me to review any more products and talk about any more products that are organic or natural, then do let me know. I'll be happy to do that. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.